my muscle. Sabi nung naglinis sa akin, oh, you already prune, yeah, because I wanna do it myself. Energy! Magpapawisan ka. Bangun, May!
Breakfast time!
No sunrise yet. Narito ang sunrise. Sumubo pa more.
Sa balikan.
Parang rainbow na light. To the left, to the right. Okay, good job, ladies. Alright.
Down!
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Alright, this is Alma from Galena, California. And this is Mercy. Look at Mercy.
Alright!
More energy.
Because of mushroom coffee!
Okay. And this is Beth. Smile, Elizabeth.
Hello!
Okay. And this is our early riser.
Early bird.
For the
Early bird!
coffee and the
Sandwich.
sandwich this morning.
Pagpataba after suba.
Now we have energy.
Yeah, we have more energy.
Hey!
Good morning, everyone. How are you? Oh, that's mine. That's Jocelyn's favorite. That's one and I'm videoing. OMG.
You missed it!
I miss my favorite. I miss my favorite position. Galing nyo ah. Wow. Super. Galing na. Wow. Hello. Ay.
Hello, USA!
Tama na.
Ganda talaga ng yelo, ha?
Grabe pa naging.
Di ba sa,
Grabe pa naging boss na dito.
di ba sa Pilipinas yung ito uniform na ko-police? Anong pangalan niyo, ma'am? Anong doon sa... Metro 8! Tapos nakablock po tayo. Oo! Mga Metro 8!
Happy lang, mga kaibigan.
Kasi katatapos
Galing happy lang.
katatapos si Ate Joseph magkanta.
Diba, senior, basta healthy.
That's right.
Okay, good morning.
Okay, that's it for now. Come on, Elma. Halika na.
Halika na. Tama na.
Oo. Nakakita ni Leslie.
Ang ganda yung ginawa mo.
Oo.
Okay, okay.
Sabi nila, sino yung kalbo sa likod mo? Kasi kalbo yung boyfriend ko sa kanan, sabi ko.
Sino yung nasa likod? yan. Uy, tignan mo. Oh, may 500 na viewers tayo.
Oh, 500 na agad-agad.
Sige na sila.
Yung mga,
Yung ano, sino ba
yung mga taga
Wala rin
Politan,
ba yun?
Politan.
Wala rin ba?
Hindi pa malaki